Hello, a new lesson of learning Python. Today we will discuss comparison operators. We have greater than, less than, equal, or not equal. Let's take example. If we print 5 greater than 3, let's save it, let's run the file. Give me true, that's mean that's true. What if we try it less than? Let's comment this. That should give us false. Let's print. It gives us false. Let's comment that. C not equal. Print. Seven equal 7. That should give us true. There is two equal signs, that mean equal because we have one equal sign is meaning the variable is assigning to the value. So one equal is assign value, to equal is checking equality. Okay, let's print it and see what happened. Clear, run, it give us true. Let's check non-equality, print 7 not equal 1. That should give us false. Save, run. Sorry, 7 is not equal, should give us true, not false. Sorry for that. Okay, let's comment this and move to bitwise operators. Bitwise operators works with binary. It doesn't work with integer number, but it works with the represented binary of each number or letters. Okay, let's assume that 0 and 1, 0 and 1 like switch. 0 is off and 1 is on. The computer or the machine understands the language of 0 and 1. That's the binary language. So we will assume 0 is off and 1 is on. It's like a switch. The binary number of 5 0 1 0 1 0, and the binary number of 3 0 0 1 1. Let's start with bitwise and it represented what's this sign. Okay, let's see. If we said print 5 bitwise and 3, what the computer understand well. If both 1 and 1 are switched, if both switch is on, then it will be on. Let's compare the second number. 1 is off, 1 is on, so it will be off, and it should be both on or both off. 1 on, 1 off, so it should be off. 2 off, so it should be 1. 1 2 3. So bitwise AND, it will compare the two binary for each numbers and take the number if both is 1 or both is on, as we assume. So let's compare the first number, 1 and 1, so it will be 1. 0 and 1, so 1 off, 1 off, 1 on, so it will be 0. Third number, 1 on, 1 off, so it will be 0. Fourth number, 0 and 0, so it will be 0. That will be number 1 also. Let's print it and run the file. Let's kill the file and run it. So give us number 1. Okay, let's comment that and move to bitwise OR. It represented with a symbol of pipe. So if we print 5 or 3, it will compare the binary numbers as the same as AND, but it will take, it will work if one of them or one, if one, not both. So it will compare the first number, 1 and 1, so it will be 0, 0 and 1, so it will be 1, 1 and 0, it will be 1 also, 0 and 0, it will be 0. So it compares the two binary numbers and get the difference between them. 1 2 3. So bitwise OR will compare the two binary numbers and type 1 if one of them is 1 or both is 1. So let's compare the first number, 1 and 1, so it will be 1 1. 0 and 1, it will be 1. 1 and 0, it will be 1 also. 0 and 0, it will be 0. That should be number 7. Let's print it. Let's save the file and print. It gives us number 7. That's the binary number represented number 7, and this representing number 1. So let's comment it and see. Let's get R5 and 3 here, and we'll take XOR. It's represented by caret symbol. So if we print 5 XOR 3, let's see how that will work. It just will take the different numbers in both numbers. So it will compare the first number 1 and 1. It's not different, it's the same. So it will be 0. 0 and 1 should be 1. 1 and 0 will be 1. 0 and 0, it's the same, not different, so it will be 0. That's represent number 6. Let's save the file, clear and run. It give us number 6. The other operator is not, represented by TID. So not is reverse the whole binary number. So if it 0, it will become 1. If it 1, it will become 0. If it 0, it will become 1. If it 1, it becomes 0. So it's supposed, if we print not 5, it will give us, so 0, 1 will be 0, 0 will be 1, and 1 will be 0 again, and 0 will be 1. So it's supposed to be number 10. Let's save the file, let's clear it and run again. So it gives us -6. So what is that? Why is this happening? Okay. Five is not just not 5 is not the or 5 is not just not 0 1 0 1. No, it contains a lot of zeros before it. So when we say not 5, it will be 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1 0 1 at last. Okay. When Python get the last number is 1, so it will convert the number to negative. It treated by equation. The equation is not x equal minus x plus 1. That's called the two complement. So when we say not 5, it will not become 10. It applies this equation and they give us -6. That's because the binary, all the binary number zeros convert to ones, and if it found the first number is 1, it will become a negative. Okay, let's comment that. The second operator will be shift left assigned to this number. Okay. Shift left will remove the binary's number to the left and they put 0 in front of it. So 5 represented by 0 1 0 1. When we left shifted by one number, it will be 1 0 and 0. So the 1 remove to here, 0 remove to here, 1 remove to here, and add 0. Let's print it. 5 left shift 1. That should give us 10. Let's save the file and run. It gives us number 10. It apply formula x left shift 10 equal x multiply 2 exponential n. Let's comment that. The other operator is shift right to take this sign. Shift right is opposite of shift left. So if we have number 5 0 1 0 1, it will move to the right. So we will remove the number 1, so it will be 0 0 1. Sorry, number 1 will move, so it will be 0 1 0 0. So we will remove number 1, so it would start with 0 1 0, and we will add 0 at last number. So it will give us, should give us number 2. Let's print 5 shift left shift right 1, save, clear, run the file. It gives us 2 as it expected. Okay, it has also a formula x right shift n equal floor. Floor is a function round the number down. Floor x divided by 2 exponential n. So we discussed compersion operators and bitwise operator.